Aetria has been around, established for a little while now, so it's now the additions that the finesses, I suppose. So we've just released Aetria Touch, which is our 10.1 inch tablet to control the Aetria environment, essentially, just giving that user a better experience. For them other areas, so yes, your operator, it might be a bit of speed for them. Rather than clicking the mouse, using a keyboard, it's a touch panel, press that, this happens. But also for them environments where, yes, you've got your main control room, but you might have a crisis meeting room. Well, are you going to have an operator sat in there with a keyboard and mouse? No, you're not. So therefore, you're going to have some way of interfacing and bringing that content from that control room into that newer space. And that's exactly what the tablet's going to do. If your content is in the Aetria environment, it's available. And the tablet is more about not visualizing the content, it's about putting that content onto screens or LED to visualize it. So yes, you will have a representation on that tablet, so I could open up a layout by pressing a button, or I could drag sources on and resize them. But in real life, that's happening on the screen where I need it to be, so I can have my crisis meeting and make the decisions I need to make. There's two modes for the tablet. There's a sort of standard or basic mode, and there's a pro mode. And the standard mode will give you the ability, whatever environment you're in the crisis meeting room, it will present you with a list of available layouts or presets that press the button, it will open that content where it needs to be on the displays. Whereas with the pro mode, you've got a lot more flexibility and a lot more freedom, whereby yes, you can still open up these layouts and presets, or you can select the sources that are relevant at that moment in time, size, position them, drag, drop, have multiple things on, and just gives you a lot more flexibility on what goes where, a bit more freedom, I suppose. You know, the touch panel is designed on feedback we've got from our customers, from end users, from system integrators that are actually installing and using our kit. So the touch panel is just sort of that next evolution that in some scenarios makes things a bit nicer and a bit slicker for a customer, rather than having to, you know, there's environments where they don't want the PC and they don't want to click and do all that, and they just want simple, press that button, it does it, don't need to think about it. Lower costs on training and things like that, because it just makes it simple.